Okay, here we are at the famous Big Su Beef Noodle. And here it is here. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
อันนี้ไม่งงนะอันนี้เหรอโรบินเขา
Okay. Ah, very good. Thank you. Okay.
Small bowl you can
Yep.
make a
Chili.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
From clip คุณมาร์ควิน
I will. Thank you. So this is the famous beef noodle soup. It was on Mark Wiens the other day, so we thought we better come down and try it. You've got all your different parts of the beef. Anyway, we'll give it a try. You got your noodles on the bottom, and inside you've got one of the best chefs that cooks this. Anyway, let's try this now and see how we go. So here we go, trying the famous beef. Very tender, very tender. The noodles have sucked in all the juice. It's perfect. Look at that. Balls, we got tripe, we got tongue, we got everything. Okay, now we're gonna add a bit of chili to this and see if we can get a bit of Madeleine. You want some of this? You're making enough noise. Alright, let's try this. Oh, chili's got a bite. Beautiful. Got to try this if you're ever down here in Bangkok. Spectacular. Wow. After lunchtime, the place is full. Let's have a quick look in the kitchen. Quick look, this is where it's all made. Thank you. Look at that. Cooking away and away. Look at this. Oh, beautiful.